Good morning, my dear students. Today we will discuss the chapter 13 Directive Principles of State Policy. Okay, for that you have to open your book on page number 123. We will start. While framing the constitution, our leaders dreamt of a welfare state. A welfare state is one in which the state guarantees social and economic development of its people. Okay, so welfare state, so it was the dream of our framers of constitution. So they want to provide social and economic opportunities, social and economic facilities to the people. Okay, for that they introduced directive principles of state policy in our constitution. So features of welfare state, first of all we will discuss what are the features. A welfare state is responsible for the well-being of every citizen. It aims to provide social and economic justice to all the citizens. A welfare state guarantees equal opportunities to all its citizens. A welfare state also guarantees a fair distribution of wealth. Okay, these are the key features. These are the importance. It is the importance of welfare state. Now, what are directive principles of state policy? Directives principles of state policy are given in part 4 of our Indian Constitution. These are given in part 4 of Indian Constitution. They are adapted from the Constitution of Ireland. Okay, so they are adapted, they are borrowed from the Constitution of Ireland. Okay, when our constitution framers framed the Indian Constitution, first of all they read out the constitution of all the countries of the world, and they pick out the best features from all the constitution of the world, and they laid that all the features, best features in our Indian Constitution. Okay, so the idea of directive principles of state policy is adapted from the Constitution of Ireland. Okay, so these are, what are the directive principles? These are the guidelines, these are the instructions, guidelines, instructions for the governments, for the state governments. Okay, so these principles aim to establish a welfare state. Therefore governments must keep these principles in mind while framing the laws and policies. Is it okay? So these are the directive principles, are the guidelines, these are the instructions for the state governments. So state governments have to keep it in their mind, keep it in their mind before making the new policies and laws. Okay, so what are these principles? These are principles promoting economic equality, Gandhian principles, general principles. So principles promoting economic equality. Directive principles direct government to ensure that all citizens have the right to an adequate means of livelihood, fair distribution of wealth and resources among the people. It means the wealth and resources of country are to be used for the benefit of all the citizens. Next, fair and human condition for workers, equal pay for equal work for both men and women. Then assistance for unemployed, the old, the sick, and those with the special needs. Assistance means help. That all citizens enjoy the right to work, that all workers get a living wage. Living wage means sufficient wage, sufficient income, which would enable them to meet the basic needs of food, clothing and shelter. Participation of workers in the management of industries, that children and youth are protected against exploitation. So these are the economic principles, these are the principles promoting economic equality. Next, Gandhian principles. What are the Gandhian principles? Mahatma Gandhi believed that the development of individuals was tied to the development of the society. He laid stress on rebuilding villages, promoting cottage industries, and ending all the forms of inequalities. So principles laid by Mahatma Gandhi are known as Gandhian principles. Some of these ideas have been included in the directive principles of state policy. They are as follows. First, organize village panchayats, promote cottage industries, promote educational and economic interest of the weaker section of the society, improve public health, modernize agriculture and animal husbandry. Okay, so these are the Gandhian principles. Okay, next, from general principles we will discuss in the next video.